I am here to read you a book today. We've been baking a lot because it's a little boring, being at home all the time because that's what we're supposed to do to stay healthy. So this one kind of goes along with baking because it's the duckling gets a cookie. You can see that the pigeon's kind of upset because, well, he doesn't have a cookie and the duckling does. So this one is, of course, one by Mo Willems, one of our favorite guys. Let's see how this goes. The duckling gets a cookie? That's a lot of cookies. I do not like the look of that title. I mean, what does the pigeon look really, right? Hello. May I have a cookie, please? Oh. Thanks. Flap, 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 flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I asked to drive the bus. I asked for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, I'll ask for French fry robot. Every now and then, I've asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I asked to stay up late. Oh yes, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I asked for? No! That's a lot of no. It's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. What? You're giving me that cookie? With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp, chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. Cookies. No nuts. That's how I like my cookies too, no nuts.